High above the world, where eagles dare not fly, their mission is to defy gravity and reach the unreachable. This is a tale of Pakistani pilot, a guardian angel soaring through the sky. Today, they have rescued a mountaineer trapped in the unforgiving mountain of Shimshal.
The Pakistan Army make the rescue for me from the mountains.
In this aerial ballet of life and death, the pilot's skill is a symphony of precision. Every move is calculated risk. Every second, a testament of human endurance. This is not just story of a rescue, it's a story of human spirit, of pushing boundaries to defy odds. It's a story of Pakistan, a land of towering peaks and even taller heroes.